Today we are going to draw a very easy landscape in one-point perspective. After drawing an horizontal line, we put an X and this will be the vanishing point of our drawing. All horizontal and vertical lines that are in front of us remain horizontal and vertical, but all parallel lines that go away from us, like this side of the house, go directly to the vanishing point. I hope I said it correctly. Now we trace two lines like this, so we have the center point for the roof to draw the roof of our house. This line is copying the angle of the other side, and we have a really bare lines of a house. Now another part of the building, and this is the part of the quick sketch. When we have all things placed where they must be, we'll begin with details. Remember, we begin all drawings, all artistic drawings begin without giving details. It's the best way to draw every day of your life. All artists or real artists do this in this way. Okay, this part, this porch. When do you think? It's been a while since I upload a new video with perspective. Do you like these videos? I have more, but I can upload more if you wish this kind of videos, okay? Put me in the comments if you wish. Okay. Now, I'll use just this pencil all the drawing, an HB pencil. We don't need anything else in this drawing. Just an eraser, just the ruler, and just your creativity and your hands. Now this part. Okay. You see, it's very easy and satisfying to draw in perspective because it gives more deepness to every drawing. For me, it's fantastic, but sometimes maybe somehow difficult. The best way to overcome these difficulties is drawing in perspective more. I know. Many times it gives you some fear, but with a little practice, you can achieve everything you wish. As you see, I'm giving shadows in this part of the house because I have decided that light source, in this case sun, come from the left up to the left. So everything that is down to the right is shadowed, is dark. You must draw this part darker than the other sides of the house. And it is logical that this part, the door of the house, is darker because less light goes there. Okay. Part by part, our drawing comes alive. Now, these stairs. Let's give some shadows to the window. And this cabin must be done in wood. in wood. So this will be the texture of wood. Okay. Typical house in one side of the road. Easy, beautiful and easy. And as all houses that are all in the nature have weeds surrounding. Okay. More elevated, maybe better. More elevated house. Okay, better in this way, I think. Okay. Now, what we have now? We have only a part. We must give more landscape details, don't you think? Okay. As you see, I'm uploading more videos this season, and I upload many more, but all are going to be in the same way. Very, very easy drawing tutorials. I think is what I wish to do now. I want to do now, and I'll upload a lot of them. Hopefully, one by week. Okay, electrical post wires. As you see, the far is this stick smaller will represent, okay, because it is perspective. Things that are far from us, we draw them smaller and bigger if they are near, like this. Okay. Now some wires going to the vanishing point. It's the road. What can we do? Some trees here. Easy, without not many details because they are very, very far. Okay. The shadow of this part, okay. More weeds surrounding the road. Then, what do you think? Do you like this kind of tutorials? If so, I suggest you to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. If you wish. If not, we can be friends too. Don't worry. Okay. Some mountains. Not very tall mountains. Okay. They are overlapping. Mountains before, mountains behind. Okay. Giving more deepness to your drawing. Some shadows. And the next minutes, I'll draw details, giving more strength and interest to our drawing. With just one pencil, you can achieve really good results. You get really good drawings because you need only your creativity. Now I'll use this 4B pencil for details, very sharp, with a very sharp point. But if you don't have one, you can use the same HB if it is very sharpened. Okay, very, very sharpened. But this time, I wanted to give more strength to these wires. Okay, easy and beautiful. Some strength here, shadowed parts, the widths. Giving more three-dimensionality, 3 dimensions. In a flat surface like a paper, are achieved with shadows and lights. Shadows are part where we draw darker, and lights parts we draw or not draw whiter. Just that. Some here. Now, give some color here because it was some boring part of the drawing. Don't leave too many parts white in your drawings, but it is not necessary to give darks everywhere, okay? The best part to leave white or whiter is sky, but not totally white. You'll see it then. Now separate shadows, giving strength to this part. Okay. You see how these little lines give so much strength to these shadows? And step by step, our drawing becomes a real, an actual window to an imaginary world. Okay. Now, what can do now? Some shadows here to represent some clouds, for example. Perhaps. Okay. And we are almost done. Okay. I thought one more tree could be better here, because it was very boring, this part. A simple tree. Its shadow. Okay. And we do have a tree in just a very few steps. Or shadow these trees, this part. Shadow of the house over the road. And we have done. What do you think? Do you like this video and this drawing? Now it's your turn. Take a pencil and a paper and draw a lot. Be very happy and see you soon. Bye!